All right. All right, so I have a game plan. I'm going to have the gentleman pull his truck out the way. I'm going to straighten up, come more at an angle, and I'm going to lift up from this side and have him just back up. That's the goal. I like this positioning better.
100% agree.
It,
Picking it straight up.
Cause I just don't want to pull it to the side. All right, here we go. All right, baby. Moment of truth. Here we go. Here we go. All right, chains. I like that. All right, I do need you back up now. You ready? Let's do it. Moment of truth.
You want me to do anything with the bucket or anything?
It's okay. It's okay. I promise you. It just found its happy spot. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. I want to.
This is all pretty good. You want me shoving anything underneath over here? Or?
No, we're good. Yeah, just back. Yeah. Don't turn the tires yet.
I won't do it yet.
Yeah, but lift the bucket up, please. And we're backing up.
Just back straight up.
Yeah, yeah. I don't want to hit the AC unit. All right. Hey, we want you to ease backwards, okay? All right.
You want bucket to go up a little bit?
Yes, please. Good job. Yeah, okay, here we go. You ready? Back up. Yeah, back up. Slowly. All right, wait a second. I'm gonna boom out. All right, now back up still. Is it letting you back up at all? Keep backing up, please. Keep backing up. Keep backing up. All right, stop. Keep backing up now. Keep going. Stop. All right. Mission accomplished. We did it. I didn't break anything. Did what I had to do. We made it happen.
These are new toys.
Yeah.
Appreciate you, man. Thanks.
You're welcome.